Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing some pre-Christmas cleaning all throughout my house, getting my house ready for the extended Christmas weekend. Christmas Eve and Christmas Day is on Monday and Tuesday, so it's going to be like an extended weekend. My husband gets to be home from work for 4 days, so I wanted to get the house nice and clean before we start the Christmas festivities. And I'm sure that you're trying to get your house clean before Christmas as well, especially if you're hosting Christmas at your house or you're having a Christmas party. So that was the point of this video, just to give you some pre-Christmas cleaning motivation. And I am just ready to get this extended Christmas weekend started. I want to make some Christmas cookies and stuff, but first I want to have a clean house because I love having a clean and cozy house for Christmas time. So here I am using some Method glass and surface cleaner to clean off the desk. I was also using this on the window earlier to clean that. And this is from the Grove Collaborative website. I've talked about them a few times before, but I always have a link down in my description for them where you can get free stuff. And right now with my link down below, you can get $10 off your first order. An awesome deal, so definitely go and take advantage of that. I always get all of my cleaning products from there. So here I was packing away some of the boys' toys that they don't play with anymore. Before their birthdays or Christmas time is a great time to go through all of the toys and pack away ones that they're not playing with before they get new ones on Christmas Day or their birthday. So before I wipe down the countertops, I like to spray Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner on there, and this is from the website Grove Collaborative, and this is in the scent Peppermint. It smells amazing and it's perfect for the holidays. So to clean the floors today, I'm using Aunt Fanny's floor cleaner, and this is my first time trying this, and this is a vinegar concentrate, so you only add a few tablespoons in with the water or a few teaspoons, and this is from the Grove Collaborative website as well. And I'm using a spray bottle and a mop instead of my spray mop because my second spray mop that I bought broke. I've tried 2 different spray mops and they both broke. The one broke after a year, the first one that I had, and then this second one that I used to have broke after only a couple months. So please tell me down in the comments, what is your favorite spray mop that has lasted you for at least a few years and hasn't broken? I would love to know. So I hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning video and that it gave you that motivation that you needed to get your house cleaned up before Christmas. And I hope that you all have a wonderful Christmas day and that you remember what Christmas is all about, which is the birth of Jesus. And there will be no video next week on Tuesday due to it being Christmas Day, but there will be a video next week on Thursday. So I will see you guys then, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!